Okay, here we go. Got a microwave oven transformer. I'm just using a 20 watt, or not 20 watt, but 20 volt DC power adapter from a laptop. Okay, see I've got it spliced here. So I got the multimeter hooked to it. Now what I'm going to do first is just short it straight across so you can see what kind of spark you get from it. Notice the multimeter as I do it. And okay, hardly any spark. Drain the multimeter straight down. Okay. So you can see there's barely any spark coming off it. So now what I'm going to do is run it directly into primary on the MOT. I'm going to come right back off of the primary and do the exact same thing. So now you'll see the collapsing field coming back on it. And notice the difference of the spark and the difference of the voltage. Much brighter spark. And the voltage jumps as it comes back off. Okay. Gotta reset my adapter. It likes to keep shutting itself off when it gets in big spikes. There we go. It should kick back on. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is do the same kind of experiment, except this time I'm going to hook it to the secondary, then off of the secondary to the primary, and then from the primary back here. Now notice the voltage and the sparks coming off of it. Much stronger spark. Okay. I'll watch a little closer on the multimeter as I do this, see what's happening here. We're getting extra voltage coming back down off it. Sometimes large spikes, sometimes not. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this bridge rectifier, alright, and I'm just going to run it right off of the primary to try to catch some of that back spike. Okay? As you can see, power supply is 19.8. So I'm going to take the leads off of here, attach them to this capacitor, and this is just a little small, where's that, 100 microfarad, 160 volt cap. And there we go. So now I got the multimeter running off the cap. Capacitor's coming off the bridge rectifier, which is just going to catch some of this back EMF coming off the coil. Now the thing is, we've only got 19.8 volts going through this system. Okay? So, when I hit this, we shouldn't get any more than 19.8. But watch what happens. There's 58 volts hit right on that cap. And it's winding down because it's still hooked to the multimeter. 58 volts in one shot.